In this video, I'll guide you through how to send a constant contact email to just one person. Whether you're reaching out with a personal message or need to send an important update, knowing how to target a single recipient can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and make it as straightforward as possible. To begin, open your web browser and go to constantcontact.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account, so have your credentials ready. If you're not already registered, you'll need to create an account first. Assuming you're logged in, look for the navigation menu at the top of the page. Next, click on the channels option. This will direct you to a variety of tools that Constant Contact offers for communication. Here, we're interested in emails, so go ahead and click on emails. This section displays all your past email campaigns and any drafts you might have saved. Now, browse through your list of emails and select the specific one you want to send to a single recipient. Once you've found it, click on Edit. This option allows you to make any necessary changes to the email content before sending it out. Perhaps you'll want to personalize it further for your individual recipient. After making any edits, click Continue. This step is crucial as it saves your changes and prepares your email for the next stage, which is selecting your audience. The audience section is where you define who will receive this email. In the audience panel, click on Audience. This is where you'll be able to access your contact list and decide exactly who gets this email. Once you're in the audience section, you'll see an option named List. Click on it to view all your available contact lists. Here's the important part. You need to select a list that contains only one contact. If you don't already have a list like this, you should create one beforehand or remove other contacts from an existing list, leaving only the one recipient. Double check to ensure this list truly contains just the single person you want to email. With your list selected, you're almost there. The final step is to click Send Now. This action will immediately dispatch your email to the lone contact on your list. If you prefer to send it at a later time, you could also schedule it for a future date. But today we're focusing on sending it immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a constant contact email to one specific person. This process allows you to tailor your communication and ensures that your message reaches the intended recipient without any unnecessary distractions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials on digital communication and marketing tools.